How to send money with BMO Harris Zelle. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily transfer money using Zelle on the BMO Harris app. First off, open up your app and on your home screen you can find the Pay and Transfer tab at the bottom of the navigation bar. Just tap on it and then you can find this pop-up to select an option to send money with Zelle. Then you can have an option to send or receive money. Just go ahead and tap on Send option. Now you can either select a recipient from your list, add a new contact, or even search for a recipient via their name, email, or US mobile number. So just go ahead and enter their email that's connected to your Zelle account, and then transaction typically occur in minutes with the recipient's email address or US mobile number is already enrolled in Zelle. They will let the recipient know that you sent a payment, so tap on OK. Tap on the amount that you want to send her. Now to view your transactions limit, you can select the info icon. You should only send money to the ones that you trust. So just go ahead and enter the amount you want to send. Tap on done and you'll find the review of your transaction. You can just go ahead and tap on it and then you should be able to just go ahead and make the payment. Now payments are received quickly, typically within minutes, and when you send money to a recipient's email address or mobile number that is already enrolled with Zelle. And just tap on review, then you can just tap on it and you should be able to tap on the send button to send the money. That is basically it guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I'll see you guys on the next one.